Rooster.
And I'm Pamela Henderson. And
we're singing chickens. Very valuable chickens indeed.
Now, that louse under the truck is old MacDonald.
Him and his helper, Colonel Pipsqueak, are preparing to take us to market and sell us.
But we fixed them.
Yep, we stuffed the petrol tank full of chicken feed.
And they're not going to take us anywhere.
Yeah, the yoke's on them.
I just don't understand it. In all the years I've had it, this truck has never given me any trouble.
Well, personally, I've never trusted any lorry that happens to have its steering column on the left side. Strictly off Stop being so sensitive, Model T. I say, the trucks these days. Oh, I remember a truck. A real truck. Back in India, with my regiment. It just so happened.
Put a sock in it, Colonel. I think I may have fixed it. Try the key again.
He's always bossing me about, and me, a full colonel in Her Majesty's Armed Forces. Now, I never once in Kuala
Just find the key.
Yes, sir.
Try again.
Still no good. Well, why don't you chickens sing us a song while I keep working on the truck?
Are you ready?
Let's lay one on them.
In my wallet, lots and lots and lots of money. But I can't sell those harmonizing hens if I can't get on the market.
Good.
I'm safe.
And I can't get on the market to sell them if I can't get this dang truck started. Blast!
You better get used to being poor.
The way we sabotage this truck.
It'll never run again.
What did you chickens just say?
We said we are still having fun.
Oh, I thought you said something else. Hey, Colonel. Sir, give me some hot choke and try again. Just a minute. Just a minute. Try it now. It's not on, sir. I said, not on. I'll have to have a look at the starter. Let's see now. Now, while he's doing that, why don't you learn your feed, you foul birds, and sing us another one of those tunes you've got. Now, who's got a good one in the army? What was it? It went bum-dee-dee or bum-dee-da. Something to Millie. It was daddy-bum. No, well, it worked. What's this, sir? Bit of a conundrum. I just can't figure out why this old truck won't start. You know, a similar problem to this was popped up in the Punjab.
How?
Yes?
I've been thinking.
What?
Those chickens.
Hey.
They're awfully smart.
Devilishly clever. Devilishly clever.
You don't suppose
Suppose what, sir?
that they deliberately sabotage the truck so that we can't take them to the market and sell them to the highest bidder?
His army seems credible, sir. Clever as they may be, they are still dear chickens. Although this brings to mind a rooster I ran across in Rangoon. It was the rainy season, you see.
Not Colonel, not now. But I suppose you're right. No chicken is that smart.
No, sir.
Okie dokie. I've rebuilt the whole motor already. Down to the metal, Colonel. Get it out your car.
Right, sir.
Keep on trying.
Come on, Model T. Chin up, man.
Almost.
Stiff upper lip.
Keep it quiet, Colonel. Yes.
Look at you.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Old MacDonald used to have a truck. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald used to have a truck. Now it doesn't go.
That's it, Colonel.
We're finished. No, he doesn't, Kid. I've seen better days.
Well, we won't give up, Colonel. Next time, we will get this old truck running, and we will get these crooning critters to market.
Less pointing spirits, huh? Cracking
See you next time.
Yes, sir.